Let's begin our mobility practice. We're going to start in a squat position. For the comfortability, place couple blocks under your buttocks. Open your knees wide, engage your core, and start tilting forward with a straight spine. Imagine that you're elongating through the whole spine, starting from your tailbone, all the way through the middle, and up to the crown of your head. Extend your arms up, and start tilting to each side. Keeping your seat bones connected to the blocks. We're just stretching the spine. You may feel some cracks, which is really good for you. Finish up in the center. Lie down on your back and place your block under your sacrum. Engage your stomach. Keep your knees shoulder distance width. The back is flat. Lifting up your gut and start elongating through your spine. The elongation going through your knees. Relax deeply here. And now start lifting one leg without changing the position in your spine. If you look at my lower back, it's stagnant. I'm not moving it. Just move the knee up and down. In this exercise, your stomach is a stabilizer. So you're engaging very deep group of muscles in your belly that will help to stabilize your back during. What will also help you to feel this exercise deeper is to pay attention in your stomach and suck in your navel in about 20%. Now lift both legs up to the ceiling and just relax. Bend your knees and slightly pull away. You don't need to drop your toes all the way down. The most important factor is the activation of the deep groups of muscles in our stomach. And as soon as your back starts compensating, you gotta stop and just return to the range that it suits you right now. Create those pulses and now reach up with your legs all the way up and bend your knees. Tap one leg at a time and liberate your spine from the block.
To transition from coffee and to have a natural source of energy, that was a very important point for me. I found a solution that helped me to have my energy naturally going up without having a crash, without having a headaches or any side effects, and it's all organic and natural, and I cannot stress it enough how happy I am. A lot of herbs, ginseng roots, beets extract, and so many more goodies, and you will be able to order this product under this video using my link with a huge discount. I'll show you how easy it is to make it. I taken it once a day in the morning instead of coffee. So I put just 2 little spoons of this beautiful juice in a glass. And all I need to do is just to add water. All you need to do is just to shake it up. This gives me sharp focus, concentration, and energy. Cheers.
We're going to continue a kneeling position. Tuck your toes and extend one leg back. Now bend your knee and try to bring your knee towards your chest without changing the position in your spine. Then kick back and extend, engaging your glutes. Once again, extend and bring it in. Each time, try to engage your hip flexor even more. It's not easy to bring the knee all the way into your chest, so do not try it. Just try to perform the exercise right. It will help to strengthen your stomach, in your back, as well as your glutes. Perform this exercise very slowly so you can feel what muscles are engaged. And when you're done, place the leg down to the floor. Don't forget to breathe through the whole time. Now transition sideways. Place one hand behind your head. We're going to engage our transversus abdominis muscles on the side of our belly. Just push away with the hand that is your support. Push away and then start diving in with the opposite hand and reach up. Just this little motion going to create way more difficulty in performance. Make sure your hips are not hanging on the floor. The shape nice and tight. Now switch the side. Push your hips away first Find this position, and then we're going to start creating the small tiny twists. Exhale, twist, inhale up. Exhale, twist, inhale up. Repeat it for a couple more times and release back to center. We're gonna hold plank. In plank, you gotta put your muscles together. Squeeze your glutes, open your shoulders, engage your back, and engage your stomach. This posture making you very strong and builds your endurance. Please share how you feel in the comments, and I'm looking forward to see you in the future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel and this video. Namaste.